there was a hurricane and the storm is gone. You are a fox and you need to save your life finding a safe land. So you are in a hoof floating in the flood and you have to save your life. You are at the start position with the right direction and the game is starting and you have to save your life. The game, you move it to the direction 2 blocks and then you see a bear floating in the water. The bear weighs 4 and the capacity of the hoof is just 5 and you have a weight of 2. So you can't help the
Poor
bear.
bear. Poor bear.
Then you go on, you can change the direction if you want. 45 degrees to up or down.
Down.
No, 45 degrees.
It was right. Oh, 45. Okay.
Yeah. So you decided to change the direction. It took you 1 point of effort. Your force went down 1 point. Then you move it in that direction.
What is that? A kind of purple, grayish.
It's a
square.
rock that you are seeing. A rock over the water. Then you see a rowboat.
Of course, I go there. It has more capacity.
You can ignore or swipe. Do you want to change?
Yes, because it has more capacity.
Wow, that's good. So you change the capacity, you change it to use the rowboat. Then you move to this direction.
Wait, what if I get to the end of the map?
You have to find the safe land.
So, if I get to the end of the map, like the border, will it just change direction or
Yeah, it will contour the map.
Okay.
So you have this situation and you see again the bear. The bear appeared again. You can help him or you can ignore him or know more about him.
Well, I want to know more about him because if he has a lot of power, of course I'll bring him to the ship. It will just make it stronger.
Yeah, he has a lot of power. He is strong and he has a wave of 4. It fits on the boat.
So yeah, I will let him go there.
So you got the helped the bear, and as you helped him, you won 3 points of force because you have worked together with him, and the bear carries 10 points of force.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
Yeah. Then you kick the rock.
I kicked the hawk?
Yeah, you hit the rock.
Oh, I hit the rock.
You hit the rock. You can choose between 2 options. You can ask to the bear to remove the rock, or let the rock make damage to the boat.
If it makes damage, what will happen?
It may sink.
Oh! But if I ask the bear to remove the rock, how many of effort will it remove?
He used 5 points of the effort.
5?
Yeah, this is a big rock.
And how many percent is of the ship to sink?
It will sink 1 point of capacity, and each 3 steps, it's 3 rounds, you will sink another point.
Oh, so I'll ask the bear, because if I don't, then I'll have to kick him out.
Yeah, you will.
So I'll ask the bear.
So
Thank you, bear.
the bear removed the rock, and you moved in that direction.
What is that yellow thing?
The yellow is a land, but it's not a safe land. The safe land is written safe land in the map.
Oh, but I have
It's,
a question. If I land on the yellow land,
You can't go out the boat to the land, because you have to look for the safe land. If you be in the land, in this island, you can wait for the flood go up, and you be dead.
oh, but can't I land on the land and then see more of it? So then I get a clearer vision of it.
You can't have more vision than this small map
Oh,
that you can see.
It's basically useless. But if I change the direction, wait, is this rock hitting me because it's hitting the side, or just
No.
if it hits here?
If it hits in the center, near to this arrow,
Just in the center.
just in this arrow, but you are going to there.
Oh, so can I change the direction?
Yes, you can.
I'll go straight right.
For that, I will remove 1 point of force, because you changed the direction.
Sure.
Okay, let's go on. And you are going, and you see a rabbit. The rabbit, what do you want to do? Do you want to know more about the rabbit? Do you want help the rabbit, or ignore it?
Wait, how many points of capacity does it take?
The rabbit has only just 1 point of capacity.
Sure, but I still have a question. Does it have a lot of power? Because it just wastes 1 point of capacity, so it doesn't have any power, right?
No, the only thing that he does is communicate. He can't help you so much.
Useless. That's useless. Oh, sorry, rabbit, but I gotta.
He's a good communicator.
But and what he won't do, he won't give me any power. And wait, does the communication gives an extra point or something?
No, helping any animals, you can have a point of working in team. So you have
I gain a point of teamwork?
Yeah.
That's good, but still, is this the lightest animal?
No, it can appear others. You are in a flood, you don't know what will happen.
Also, I guess I'll ignore it, because the bear appeared again, and if nothing good appears, probably the rabbit will appear again. So
Okay, then you move next.
wait, what is that arrow or that line?
That line and that white box here, it's not very well printed. And that white box is a waterfall. And the arrow shows a current.
So if I go to that current, will I get something bad?
Maybe you don't know it's a current.
Ah. So then, wait. I'll risk it because if I move next, then I can escape.
So you keep the direction to the right.
I think so.
Yeah. Then you went 2 points to the right. And
Wait,
now,
two?
yeah. You are going 2 points because the rowboat goes each time 2 points. It's the
Oh, it
speed
goes
of
faster.
yeah. It's the speed of the rowboat.
Oh, I didn't know that. Nah.
Yeah. Now you are.
So if I go if I go into the currents, will I go through the waterfall?
You don't know what will happen, but you are now under the current
Well,
effects.
I can't move.
And what do you want to do? You see a table floating, and
Nah.
and you can change the direction if you want.
I can, but won't it just go through the currents if it move 2 times?
Sorry?
Will it just go through in the currents path? Because
Yeah, the current will take your boat in that direction.
also,
But you can try to avoid it.
I can't because if I go here, I'll just do the same as the current, but a little bit lower. And if I try to escape here, then I'll just enter the current. So I guess not. And the table was terrible.
So
I
you will
will
not
have to
get.
kick the bear out and I will lose some power. That's
You kick the bear out?
nah. If I get the table, I will have to kick the bear
If you
out.
get. Okay, you will not
Nah,
get.
nah.
You decided not to get the table.
Yeah.
Okay, and the direction is this one.
Yeah, same.
So you went 2 points and one more in the current direction.
So
Now
it
you
doesn't
are.
have anything bad.
Yeah, you are
I'm
going.
lucky.
You are at the waterfall. Inside the waterfall. And you see a wolf. But you don't have capacity to help the wolf. The wolf has 2 points.
Wait, does it have more power than the bear?
No, the wolf has 6 points of power, and bear now has 5 points of power.
So
Yeah, it's 1 point more.
I'll kick the bear because it has fewer capacity and more power.
Okay,
Be-
so you kick the bear.
I'm sorry, bear, but life is life.
You lose 1 point for kicking.
Oh, so I basically didn't gain any point.
Uh,
At least I gained
and
capacity.
you have 5 and more 1, 6 points for the wolf. And then about the direction, you do anything?
Nah.
No. So you will move
Oh. Can I move 9 in a 90 angle, please? Or not? Because my boat can move 2 points of movement or whatever it is.
Yeah,
called.
but you can just.
Wait, no, it was here. Stop cheating! Stop cheating!
Yeah. So, what do you want to do?
Wait, I'll have to change direction. But if I change direction here, will it make me lose?
45 degrees.
Oh, just 45? But if I change directions there, will it just make me lose 2 points?
No, you can't just turn 45 point and
so
lose
have
one.
my point. I'll turn it.
So you kick it
Wait, it was here, right?
here, but here you kick the rock. So okay, then you now kick the
Wait, but I have just 2 capacity.
Yeah, and
what about the wolves?
Yeah, you have to.
Yo,
Sorry. It went up.
That's messed up.
It's here. It's not working so well. Yeah, now it's here. And now you have the option of using 5 points of the wolf force to remove the rock, or let's make a damage.
Well, it loses a point of capacity each round, right? So it will lose 1, then 1, then 1. So then I have 4 points of capacity. So the rabbit, I can't have the wolf, whatever, and the rabbit is just useless. So I'll instead change the direction and let it take the damage.
Yeah, but when you have a damage, you can change the direction only in the next step, next round.
Nah.
No.
Look at this rock. Okay then.
Then you
Why?
did it.
I didn't kick the rock.
Didn't?
No.
What do you want? Lose
Because,
capacity?
wait, but if I lose isn't the bunny useless?
The bunny is not here.
Yeah, but wasn't the bunny useless?
Well, I don't know what he
The
can
bunny
do.
was useless, and
Mhm.
if I lose 3 points, I still can't have the bear, and I will still have the 4 points to afford both me and the wolf, so I won't.
Mm-hmm.
But then in the next turn, I will have to shoot the rock.
Yeah, what do you want to do?
I'll just lose a point.
Lose, so you have another point of capacity that you lose. This black box represents that you lose 1 point of capacity.
Why is it black?
Because
Why?
Why? I don't know. It's the game.
I just hit another rock. I'm cut.
Yeah, you are hitting another rock, and you have to decide what you want to do.
But wait a minute. I lost the game. You know why?
Why?
Because wait, can I just have no power, no effort? But if I have no effort, I can't change the direction. So I don't know where the safe island is, but I don't think it's there. Wait, but can I just have no power?
Have no power?
Yeah, because I'll have to kick this rock, or I'll have to kick the wolf out.
Yeah, you have to decide it.
So I'll have to remove this power and kick the rock. Then I move.
You move here, and now you can't remove the rock. So you
Can't I just?
no, you can't, because it's the power of the wolf is 1 and your power is 4. So you
Oh,
don't
so I need to have power.
you need to have power to do anything.
So I have to kick the wolf out because. Wait, it didn't the.
Yeah, then
Yeah, I'll have to kick the wolf out because.
so you need to use 1 point of force to kick the wolf out.
Nah.
Then you see a